Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your arrows keys are not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop. The arrow keys are handy for day-to-day tasks. However, like any other hardware component, these keys can sometimes stop working, and then I'll show you a quick method to solve it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method we will do is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. And then copy lang natin yan. Gamitin mo yung control plus C, and dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung edit. And then i-click mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na control plus B. So click mo lang yan and press mo lang yung enter. Alright. And then next step, so pop up itong hardware and devices. So makikita mo dito yung troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. And the next step, makikita mo dito yung advanced. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dapat naka-check itong apply repairs automatically, and then check mo lang yung box. At dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung next. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializings, and diagnostic process. Okay, so after dito sa hardware and devices troubleshooter, and then close lang natin ito. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Alright, click mo lang yan. So after ka makapag-restart, if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to turn off the keyboard toggle keys. Okay, so kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on the start menu and select mo lang dito yung settings. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung accessibility, so click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side, so kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then dito sa interactions, under dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung keyboard, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa keyboard, makikita mo kaagad dito yung sticky filter and toggle keys. So dapat naka-turn off ito mga kaibigan. Okay, so naka-turn off lahat yan. So after mo magawa dito na i-turn off tong toggle keys, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the keyboard driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, on your keyboard, press the Windows key plus letter R. And then pop up itong run command. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na dabmgmt.msc. Alright? So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na dabmgmt.msc and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung keyboard. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-update itong kanyang driver. Okay, so i-click mo lang dito yung HID keyboard device. So select and right click. And then itap mo lang tong update driver. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. And then itap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. And then the base drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, and then next step, so close lang natin tong device manager. At dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix arrow keys are not working in Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop keyboard. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.